We should emphasize the importance of discipline in personal development and achieving goals. Realize that there is absolutely no path to achieving your best self without strong discipline. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to become disciplined. Set small and achievable goals. Start by setting small and achievable goals for yourself. This will give you a sense of accomplishment and help you build momentum. Identify your values. Understand your values and align your goals with them. This will give you a sense of purpose and motivation. Take responsibility. Take full responsibility for your actions and decisions. Recognize that you are in control of your own life. Make a plan. Create a plan of action for achieving your goals. Put pen to paper. Be specific about what you need to do and when you will do it. Take action. Take action towards achieving your goals. Consistently follow through on your plan. Develop good habits. Develop good habits that support your goals. This can include things like exercising, reading, or eating healthy. Be persistent. Be persistent in the face of obstacles and setbacks. Recognize that failure is a necessary part of growth. Be patient. Be patient with yourself and allow yourself time to adjust to new habits and routines. Reflect on your progress. Reflect on your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate successes. Celebrate your successes and take the time to recognize your progress and accomplishments. Focus on the journey. Remember that the journey is just as important as the destination. Focus on the progress you are making, and enjoy the process of becoming disciplined. Focus on winning the day instead of winning the year. Summary: discipline is about consistently taking small steps towards your goals. By setting small and achievable goals, identifying your values, taking responsibility, making a plan, taking action, developing good habits, being persistent, being patient, reflecting on your progress and celebrating your successes, you can develop discipline and achieve your goals. Remember that discipline is not about perfection, but about taking small steps consistently over time. Embracing the journey and focusing on progress will help to keep you motivated and engaged throughout the process.